How to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. So if you have been wondering how you can withdraw your money from PrizePicks to Cash App, first of all, PrizePicks cannot be directly withdrawn to your Cash App account. PrizePicks supports withdrawing to your bank account. So the indirect way that we can do it, you can actually withdraw from PrizePicks to your bank account and you can deposit to Cash App using your bank account. Instead of direct way, that is an indirect way to do it. Now to withdraw it, once you basically launch the PrizePicks app, you can just click on the three lines option from the top left after you log in. Then there you'll find the option called request withdrawal, and once you click on request withdrawal, you can request the withdrawal to your bank account. And once you request the withdrawal to your bank account, after that you can open up and launch Cash App and make sure to deposit the funds using your Cash App account. But just keep in mind that there isn't actually a direct way to withdraw directly or transfer from PrizePicks to Cash App. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.